Think you know all the survival tricks? What if I told you your next life-saving tool is already in your junk drawer? Stick around. These DIY survival hacks are cheap, fast, and might just save your life. Hack 1 crayon candle. Light a crayon with a match. It'll burn for up to 30 minutes. Great for emergency light in tight spaces. Hack 2 Dorito fire starter. Yep, those cheesy chips burn hot and long. If you're caught without tinder, one handful gets a fire going fast. Hack 3 duct tape bandage. Fold it sticky side in, wrap over gauze. Instant waterproof bandage. It's not pretty, but it works. Hack 4 soda can stove. Cut and fold an empty soda can, add a splash of alcohol. You've got a compact cooking burner. Hack 5 battery plus gum wrapper fire. Short a battery with foil or a gum wrapper and boom, instant spark for fire starting. Hack 6 keys as self-defense. Grip them between your fingers. Primitive, but effective if you're caught off guard. So it's not just about the gear. It's really about your mindset. DIY hacks, well, they train you to stay calm, get creative, and just use what's around you. In survival, honestly, resourcefulness beats expensive gear every single time. Hey, do you like this kind of survival intel? Then go ahead and hit that like button, share it with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay sharp, stay ready, and always think outside the pack.